Want to create professional AI videos without spending a dime? HeyGen's free plan lets you make 3 videos per month with AI avatars that actually look realistic. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create your first video, animate a photo, and translate content into any language, all without entering a credit card. Let's dive in. Head to HeyGen.com and click Get Started Free. You can sign up with Google or email, no credit card required. HeyGen will ask a few questions about your use case. This actually helps customize your template suggestions, so answer honestly. And just like that, you're in the dashboard. Let's create your first video. Click on Avatars. Now here's where it gets fun. HeyGen gives you access to over 100 avatars on the free plan. You've got professionals, casual presenters, different ages and ethnicities. Some avatars have multiple voices. Select the voice which matches your script, then select Avatar. I'll pick this one. Before generating, you can preview how the voice sounds. Now type your script, anything you want your avatar to say. Keep it under 1 minute for the free plan. Choose a background. The free library has solid options like offices, gradients, and plain colors. Happy with it? Hit Generate. Processing takes about 3 to 5 minutes on the free plan. You'll get an email when it's ready, or just wait here. After about 5 minutes, we have our first avatar video ready. Play the video to see how realistic it looks.
Hi, here are some pro tips to create professional-looking videos in HeyGen. Pro tip number 1, spend time choosing your avatar. The right face builds instant credibility with your audience. Script length. Pro tip 2, shorter is better. Aim for 30 to 45 seconds even though you get a full minute. Attention spans are short. Background selection. Pro tip 3, plain backgrounds actually perform better. Less visual distraction means more focus on your message. Always preview the voice before generating. Some avatars have multiple voice options.
One of HeyGen's most powerful features is video translation. Take any video you've created, click Translate, and choose from 175 languages. HeyGen doesn't just translate the text. It actually matches the lip movements to the new language. Now, full translation does use your monthly credits on the free plan, so use it for actual translation instead of testing. But even previewing how it works shows you the potential. Imagine creating one training video and instantly having it in Spanish, German, Japanese, and French.
Hola, aquí tienes algunos consejos profesionales para crear videos con un aspecto profesional en HeyGen. Consejo profesional número 1.
Here's a hidden gem most people miss. Talking photos. Go to the Talking Photos section and upload any portrait photo. This works with professional headshots, casual photos, even illustrated characters. Add your script, pick a voice that matches, and generate. HeyGen animates the face with realistic lip sync and subtle head movements. This is perfect for quick social content, personalized messages, or testing ideas before creating full avatar videos. The free plan does not include this feature, but it's genuinely impressive. That's HeyGen's free plan in action. 3 videos per month, 100 plus avatars, language translation, and AI script writing, all without paying a cent. If you found this helpful, check out our full HeyGen review on AIToolanalysis.com for pricing breakdowns and advanced features. See you in the next tutorial.